7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Because I'm trying to keep my husband in the mindset of organization and cleaning, we got a really good comment from one of our subscribers, YNNHOJ912. Thank you for this comment because he or she, they, I'm not sure if you are he or she, I apologize.
Not the he, she, or they, not the pronouns. They, them, zizzers, sing, sang.
They gave us a really good comment in regards to the pallets. So, as you know, my husband likes to hoard pallets. And so they informed us that what we can do is utilize all of these pallets.
Not all of them.
Well, utilize some of the pallets for organization. So, yeah. So, Rara has decided to basically use the pallets in the shipping container to store and house all of our shovels and long-handled tools. Oh, I was going to say, how do you do that? But he flipped it over, so I can see how you could do that now. So, that was a great idea. YNNHO912. High five. High five.
YN7772311.
Thank you so much for that idea because that's awesome. And it's aesthetically pleasing.
You know what that means?
Good job. Good job.
Aesthetically pleasing to you means you're going to try to paint the pallets. Ooh, I can paint it.
I might try to paint the pallets.
Put butterflies on it, fairy tales, moonbeams.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. So guys, I want you guys to see my shirt.
Oh, wow. Look at you.
Not today. But I will say this is why
I'm hot. I'm hot because I'm fly. You ain't because you not. This is why I'm hot. Remember that song?
Yeah, I do remember that song. We love y'all because y'all always give us really good ideas and they actually work.
Yay.
You got some more tools over there. Ooh.
That's actually kind of dope.
Shiny. Look at that. That is nice.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
YN 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's YNNHOJ9 something.
We're not gonna say what YN stands for these days.
Oh, yeah. Okay, we were able to use one of the pallets. However, we still have a lot of other pallets back here. So what you gonna do with them?
Those are going to trash over there. I'm gonna bring the van next week. I'll throw those out because those pallets are toe up.
Okay.
Flow up.
Do you use these pallets?
Yeah,
You said that like...
There's no more back there. This is it.
Well, what's that? That's one pallet back there and a wood door and whatever this is. What is that?
It's a shiny pallet. High-tech pallet.
Is that a pallet for real?
Yeah, for real.
Yeah, you should leave it outside. Because that all you're going to do, you're just making more junk in the shipping container.
Oh, shoot. What's with the face? Now it's too messy.
Yes, it's getting messy again. Just one. You don't need...
You the one talking about, oh, you got more tools over there.
Well, are you going to put those tools in
That's
there?
what I was going to do.
Okay, well, go ahead. Go ahead, because you don't have any place else to put them. Well, you try it. I'll give you A for effort.
A for effort.
Or E for effort.
That's cool. Am I just going to paint them?
Yeah, we can paint it black. Can we spray paint it? Or we can spray paint it black. I'm just trying to find some place to put that. Okay, cool.
Done.
And done. Do you feel like your shipping container's getting messy again?
No. Why, you do?
No, I mean, you're keeping it up so far. That's good. So guys, we got a new contraption. We got a wagon. This bad boy is gonna help us log a whole bunch of stuff all over the land, and we can put all kinds of things in here and drag it along so that we don't have to carry it all over the place.
Because we old.
And I gifted this to my husband.
Sure did. That was my birthday present too. Thank you.
And then how do you turn this down?
I don't know. You the one bought it. I ain't never used this in my life. You're from New York. You should know about these things. It's a New York cart.
Well, it sort of reminds me of a New York
this
cart.
went around and strapped
Yeah,
somewhere.
this went around and strapped. I just don't remember how to take this down. Oh, there you go. You just push it. Push the wet button. Now, where you want to put it? All right. So this was a great idea. Thank you so much. And we actually used this idea because it works. It's up against the wall and all his tools are in there. And I like it. You like it?
I like it.
Cool.
It's better than doing shells right now, like that shell Indigo bought.
Yeah.
But you just do it all the way around.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but nah. We can put that money to other use right now.
Yeah.
Right
all
now,
right.
pallets work.
Pallets are going to have to work.
Thank you, YN something, 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 something.
It's getting a little chilly, so...
Hoodie weather. It's hoodie time.
Yeah, this weekend was cool. I would prefer to work in cool weather, not cold, cool, and not hot, because hot is terrible.
It was
But
cold last night.
yeah, but that sleeping bag was the bomb.
Park model
You don't
RVs
think-
are not well insulated.
At all. Anyway, we are actually on our way to hit the road, and it takes us
Back. to the city.
2 hours to drive back to the city, but it also takes us 2 hours
to tear down.
to tear down. And what we mean by tear down is we have to put everything up. There are things that my husband have to set up every single time that we come here, as well as put up every single time. So he has to set up the propane tank and the water.
The drain.
And
water the compost.
Yeah, there's just a whole bunch of stuff that we have to do every time we come. So we have to calculate that time in, which takes away from our working time.
2 hours.
So that's why we try to come up sometimes on Fridays, or sometimes we'll try to come up a little bit early and work on Saturdays. But there are times when we can't do that, but that takes away from our working time on the land. So
What happens when you don't live here full time yet?
Yeah.
It's coming.
It's coming.
You say that with enthusiasm. Say that with enthusiasm. Enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm. I mean,
Ethamuzla.
Enthusiasm. Anyway, and we're going to try to work on our drain, finish up our driveway at some point.
At some point
Are you going to
soon.
finish? Is this finished? Because this don't look finished.
No, I'm going to cut this tarp a little bit below the line so this tarp won't stop the water. I want it to drop in the ditch and then go that way. For those of you online, you can't see, this whole thing slopes down that way. So hopefully the water run in here and then run that way. Just need to fix this tarp and then get back on all that.
And smooth out these rocks, because these rocks look janky.
Ain't no smoothing out. I need to equally distribute them. It'll be all right. It'll need constant revisions, and we'll see what happens.
Because this looks kind of off
you
from
mean?
everything else. We just have a big drain in the middle of the driveway type thing.
Don't
Are you
forget-
going to do rocks?
All the way down. We're going to do road base and limestone, whatever the hell.
So rocks are going to start from here all the way down.
Might even go up here some.
These rocks?
No.
Oh,
This
okay.
other stuff.
Would it blend in with this?
Yeah.
Sort of, kind of? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I just asking.
It's okay. You can ask. 'Cause you don't know.
No,
And
I don't know.
either.
I know nothing.
And neither one of us know.
No.
You'll be all right.
Okay, well.
We try some stuff. We'll wait for it to rain. It's supposed to rain Thursday.
Oh, to see.
Why all them face like a paparazzi?
Come back here.
All right, guys. We're going to shut it down for today. What else do you say?
That's not what I say.
All right, guys. We are going to call it a night.
All right, guys. We're going to call it the night.
The night.
We
We're going to
just-
call it the night. We just...
You gonna say everything I say?
I'm trying to guess at what you said because you got like a little pattern, kind of.
Okay, we'll figure out my pattern.
But it did.
But you didn't.
All right, guys. Gotcha. Got him. Got him.
All right, guys. So thank you so much for joining us in our escapades as always. I just want to say thank you again to subscriber YNNHOJ9 something. Thank you so much for giving us the advice. We did use it. And again, we always welcome advice from our subscribers. So thank you so much for joining us, and we will see you next time.
See you Saturday.
Bye.
Good stuff on Saturday. Peace.
7 Sigma. Offgrid.